Friends, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with an Aliexpress haul. I found a few goodies I want to share with you. So let's get started. I am going to show you the die and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right, so this first little nesting set right here is absolutely adorable. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tags. And the largest tag, I finally brought my ruler down. The largest tag is 4 inches in width, and then about 5 and maybe an eighth long. So a nice size tag. So really love this set. And then also the set does come with these 2 pieces, so you can create a circle or this type of tab in your tag. So really nice, and as you can see, it's stitched. So this is what it looks like cut out. Really pretty. Let me just kind of zoom in. You can see the stitching along the outer edge of the tag. And it's a really nice size. As you can see, I started this tag and I did haul this die as well. It looks like this. It's a really pretty seashell and it's also stitched. And I was just playing with it, you guys. I started playing with it, and as you can see, there's lots of layers with this shell. It has a pink layer, and then you see that gold glitter layer, and then I have the background layer as well. What I did was I actually used some heavyweight cardstock so it did not punch all the way out. And that's how I kind of created this tag, and I liked the way it looked. Of course, you can turn this into a shaker. There's lots of options for this particular die, which I'm absolutely loving. And then here's another one, and I just kind of created a card base using the tag from this tag set. I used like a smaller one, and I think it came out really pretty. Again, I'm not really finished, but I just started playing. I added some of that glitterific gold on the seashell. I just shared with you guys recently that I picked up off of Amazon. It's so pretty, you guys. You see the sparkles in that? And then on the very bottom, I added some little seed beads and a little flat back pearl. And I thought that was kind of pretty. And so I need to finish you know, playing and embellishing these little tags that I started, but I wanted to share with you what they looked like. All right, so let's move along to the next die. I did pick up this one, and it's a really pretty bow, and it kind of just looks like you'd put it on, you know, gift wrapping or a present. I've hauled this die before, but I just wanted to share it with you because I used it in what I'm getting ready to share with you. So I made this envelope using this envelope die. It comes with some other pieces, but I didn't bring them down. It creates this really pretty scalloped, and it's really pretty. But here on the front is where I use that bow die. And isn't that gorgeous? And I know this holographic paper is super shiny, but look at the stitching, and it's super gorgeous. Love it. Really a fun die, especially for Christmas, I think. So I'm glad I picked up that one. And then this is just another example. You know, I have to play with my dies as soon as I get them, because I want to see what they look like cut out. And just to give you an idea of what it looks like, it's really pretty. So I love that bow die right there. All right, moving along, I did pick up this little tag set, and it kind of looks like a luggage tag. And it also comes with this little piece right here to create the little notch so that you can thread your string through your tag. So really fun tag set. And let me show you what it looks like. So you can do a few things with this particular tag. Like you can just cut it out and it would look like this. And as you can see, there's stitching on the outside, and I used this bow die, which is another bow that I've hauled in the past. It looks like that, but then you can also take this middle piece right here and create a shaker. So this is what it looks like cut out with that piece, and that piece is also stitched, and then you see the little notch on the top where you can thread your twine or ribbon. That area is stitched as well. So really cute. So this is what it looks like as a shaker, and I think it came out really pretty. I didn't add that many sequins to this little shaker. I wish I would have added some more, but I think it came out cute. I used another stitched die for my stash, and then I stamped out Happy Mail I think that was a free gift from Jillian Vance Designs. And I think that came out really cute. So I like this. It looks like a luggage tag to me. So really, really pretty tag. So another tag for my stash. All right, moving along. I did, let me see, I've got a lot to share. I picked up these dies right here. I'm just gonna lay them out so you can see them. And they look like that. And they create what I thought when I picked them up, that they create tabs. So in my mind, I was thinking, oh, this would be perfect for like photofolio albums or mini albums when you're creating waterfall pages. That's what I had in mind. So that's what I did. And let me just share with you what it looks like. So I created this little page, which I could stick in a flip book or an album or whatever I choose. But on the bottom is where you see the tab. So I created the tabs for the folio, and my little, oh, this actually got stuck, or it's in the wrong spot, didn't glue down properly. Anyway, so you see I created the folio. So this, I used to use the paper from the collection, and I actually used this stitched square die that I've shared with you all in the past. Let me just show it to you one more time. This one right here, I love this set, you guys. And there is a seller on Aliexpress that sells these super large dies. I mean, the largest one is, oh, I can't even see, wrong side. Let's see, this largest one is, yeah, 6 inches. It's 6 by 6. So there are some sellers that sell the really large dies, in case you are wondering. This is an awesome set. I love this set. I've been using it quite a bit. And this is what it looks like. You see that double stitching. I used the smallest one, and then I took the next size up and layered it again with that pretty gold. And then of course I got my cute little pink and rainbow right there. But this is the tabs. So let me just zoom out just a tad. So when you flip it up, it looks like that. And then on this side, you could add your picture or journaling or just whatever you want. And again, there's that tab. And I had a little rhinestone, but it fell off. This was right here on my little center. I have to glue it back on. And then this is the next page. And again, using those stitched square dies, I love it. And it says best moment ever. And that's just from the collection that I used. And then this is the bottom, which I can further embellish. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I've been using this paper quite a bit, so it'll probably all go together to whoever I gift it to you. But I'm really loving that. And then what I use to create the actual, this actual tab is another die that I hauled. So let me share with you what that one looks like as well. And I wanted to show you what those tabs look like cut out, all 3 of them, but I don't see my paper. All right, I have too many dies, you guys, seriously. Okay, so what did I do with the die? Oh, okay, so this is the next die that I hauled right here, and it has the scalloped stitching. It has a scalloped stitched border, and it comes with two squares, and then it also, let me take this out so you can see, it comes with this little nesting tag right here, and then it comes with this piece right here and a tiny little tag, and then it also comes with this little heart border as well, and then you get this super tiny heart border and this XOXO heart border. And then you get all of these tiny pieces. They're butterflies and hearts and super tiny tags. Really, really fun set, you guys. And all of these dies came together. And you also get this little button right there. So anyway, back to what I was saying. I used this die to create this waterfall effect. You see the stitching and the scallops. That's what I used to create that. Then I took this die right here and I ran it through my die cut machine. So I stuck it on the machine. Well, I die cut out my paper, and so pretending this is the paper, then I layered it with this die and then ran it through my die cut machine a second time so that I could create the flap. And then I had the scallop stitched border, and that's how I created this little folio, in case you're wondering. So really, really fun set. And then let me just show you what the little tag looks like. This is what the little tag looks like cut out. And you see that little tiny heart border? That's this die right here. Super, super cute. And then I do have the other die for you guys. I feel like I'm losing all of my dies, you guys. The word cool, and then there's another word, yay, looks like this. And I'm trying to figure out where I put the die. I know I brought it down here. That's what the yay looks like, but those are two words that I also hauled. But again, going back to the tag, I'd created a double tag on the front of this little card, a double twine bow. There's the little tiny heart that it comes with. Those are the butterflies, and then that really pretty circle. It also has stitching on it, and that comes in that whole tag set. There's a lot of dies in that set. And then you see the XOXO going down and the tiny heart border. That's what that looks like. And then I just layered it with a different colored cardstock so it would pop off the card so you could see it. And I think it came out super cute. I'm absolutely loving this tag set. There's so many options and so many things that you can create with just that one tag or that one set. So really love this set right here. This is what this word die looks like. It cuts out the word cool and the word yay. And when you run it through your die cut machine, it is two separate words. It's not one together, but this whole die is actually just one die, in case you were wondering. So awesome.